Hello everybody, Trader Garage here. Here's a quick update on my projects. These are my I'm guessing LS1 heads off a 6.0. I just got the first coat on them, got them all taped up and stuff. I'm leaving the shiny part, aluminum, and then like the rougher aluminum painted Ford blue because I like that color. So that's the one head. This head right now is a bench at the moment, but I need to put the valves back in that, tape it up, and paint it. And then this is my 61 Beetle. My grandpa and I just got done stretching these front fenders to look like an older Bugatti look on it. And we stretched it all the way, as you can see, to the door. And then we got the kick panels or step-up panels, I don't know what you want to call it, built to go all the way back to the rear fender. We just got to fix a little bit of rust that a guy years ago had this riveted on and then just a bunch of Bondo, so I'm going to fix it properly. But other than that, looks pretty good. Step back a little so you can see it better. Yeah, it's gonna look mean, but that's just what I'm doing right now. I'll get you an update. I gotta take the rear bumper off and then the fenders so we can address that. So I just got done putting on the third coat. I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow morning I might stop by and throw on another coat quick, just a finalization. Then I'll let that sit and dry all day. Hopefully it hardens pretty good. As you can see, I got the fender and bumper off. And that's what we need to fix. Probably end up cutting it from here over and just building this whole piece. It'd probably be easier that way. But as you can see, it's not really a stock Beetle. I don't know if you watched my previous video. I don't know how long ago, maybe 6 months ago. I showed a little bit on this, but this is the rear end and coilovers. 4-link suspension, triangulated, so that acts as a sway bar. Stiffened up the rear end with some, 2x2 or 1x1 1/4-inch tubing, just for the fun of it. Oh no, we did that for the triangulated part of the 4-link, and then I guess it also stiffens up the rear end. But that's what we did. That's the gas tank in the back. I don't remember if I showed that before, but that's that. I'm gonna go over back to the house in our garage and show you another project that I have going. Got so many projects going. This is my latest project. It's a 1985 Suzuki Madura 1200. And I just pulled the seat off. But let's see. I can get that just set on there. I kind of bent the key a little, popping the seat off. It's got one of those key things right there. You just turn it to the left and the seat pops off. But it's been sitting around for so long it basically twisted the key. But picked this up. Really good bike. My uncle used to own it way back when. It's a V4, basically a Honda Magna, but this was just a little bit faster than the Honda Magna. This has 117 horsepower, shaft driven, and I don't think it looks too bad. I got there's a cover that goes here and goes across, but I took all that off. I got to clean out the carburetors. Kind of a rare bike. A couple people have them. I was looking up for carburetor rebuild kits and I can't find anywhere where they sell them, so I don't know if you know a place where they sell them. Comment, the link, so I could buy some parts for it. Tires don't look too bad. They got good traction, but they're starting to crack out. I don't know if you can see that. Should be good for a couple 100 miles. But yeah, this is the newest project. hoping to put probably ape hangers on it. I don't know, I like that style. Get it up maybe from here up to here. Another 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches. I think that'd be cool. So that's another thing to be looking for on my channel. And then this 4-wheeler, it's I think a 93 or 4 Polaris 350. 4-wheel drive, all chain driven. I just got done. This is a new piston, oversized. Then I got the cylinder board because it was fucking scored to hell. So, just putting it back together. Basically simple stuff now, but just been throwing it off for other things. Should just, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours it should take, but. Well, this will probably be all for tonight. It's 1:30 in the morning and I'm kind of tired, so like if you like the video, subscribe if you're new, and comment what you want me to do. What kind of content do you want? Do you want me to do more in the Camaro, maybe work on the bike or the 4-wheeler, or do you want me to start you want to see some vlogs or something? I don't know. Comment what you want and we'll see how it goes. Have a good night.